Welcome to Northeast Independent School District's Ed White Middle School in San Antonio, Texas, home of the Eagles and host to the Design and Technology Academy. We are just down the street from Roosevelt High School, where the data program continues to prepare our students for success through to graduation. This makes us a 6th grade through 12th grade magnet program. Each Northeast school has a vestibule much like this one, where visitors check in with the front office before entering and students can access a telephone to call home. The foyer just inside the doors connects to our cafeteria, the fine arts hallway, and our library, as well as a hallway running down the center of the main building. Our doors opened 50 years ago this year with a naming ceremony honoring Edward Higgins White II, an aeronautical engineer who served with distinction as an Air Force test pilot and an early recruit to the NASA space program. Ed White believed in having fun in addition to working hard. The fire that claimed his life in January of 1967 during the Apollo 1 mission marked a devastating setback to the U.S. space program. Ed White Middle School is a community united to empower and inspire everyone to achieve their personal best. The Design and Technology Academy is cultivating a community that inspires tomorrow's innovators today through investigation, experimentation, and creation in a challenging, collaborative learning environment. One of the things you will notice as you walk our campus is how clean it is. Our custodial staff takes great pride in keeping our school looking its best, and the students here encourage each other to do their part to show our school pride this way. Students can use this main stairway, one of the other two stairwells, or the elevator to get to the second floor, where the Data Technology hallway is located. Here we'll find our 4th, 6th, and 7th grade computer labs, as well as our new broadcast studio. The tech hallway is equipped with its own set of restrooms. The stairs at the end of the hallway take us down to the 8th grade tech rooms, which include a powerful Mac lab. The newest addition to our technology lineup is under construction, funded by a generous grant. We are able to do live streaming using our green screen setup, as Mr. Reese does for our YouTube Live events. This, the largest of our computer labs, provides ample space for special guests in the industry to come speak to our students about their professions. The computers in all 6 labs have high-end hardware equipped with the latest software, including Adobe Creative Cloud. Students even receive an Adobe license enabling them to install the software on home computers. Students cross this space to travel from the main campus to the portables, where the majority of their core classes are located. This courtyard provides plenty of space for outdoor learning activities without having to travel far from the classroom. This is where all three grade levels attend math, social studies, and English classes adjacent to the data program offices of our director and administrative assistant. Each portable is home to 2 classrooms equipped with their own climate controls. This unique feature enables our teachers to provide a comfortable environment regardless of the outside weather. Our science building is home to specialized laboratory classrooms with ample room for hands-on methods for our students to experience science. The spaces have been thoughtfully designed and effectively supplied with all the resources needed to conduct collaborative investigations and simulations of natural phenomena. Math, English language arts, and social studies classrooms in our portables complex have the latest high-definition touch-sensitive smartboards. Student desk models were selected for their flexible seating design, easily allowing for groups of varying sizes depending on the activity. This is our new gymnasium, a wonderful addition to our campus and the site of many victories to come. The excellent reputation of our athletic program is often a factor that helps students in their decision to join Data. This is also where we hold our end-of-year award ceremonies since it is large enough for families to attend. Breakfast is served each morning, and each grade level has its own lunch period. Our fantastic cafeteria staff, known for their perfect scores on inspections, serves 2 hot lunch lines along with a grill line that provides additional options to our students. As with most schools, it includes a performance stage where our fine arts classes perform several times each year. Our newly resurfaced track and football field are adjacent to the portables, making it possible to let our students out after lunch on beautiful days like this one to get some fresh air along with a little bit of exercise and social time. This tour is a work in progress and will continue in development as we improve the quality of our footage and involve students in the script and narration. Thanks for being a part of this new way to safely experience the spaces that Data calls home.